How to change resolution on Insta360 X5. So once your device is turned on, from here, swipe up above. Now over here, you can see resolution option. Then at the bottom, you can see frame rate as well. Now, the maximum frame rate for 4K resolution is 120. So the more the frame rate is, the slower your video will be recorded. Now, if you increase the resolution, the frame rate will be decreased. Now, if we set 8K resolution, the frame rate will be set to 30. So that's how simply you could change resolution on Insta360 X5. And that's all for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.